Okay, boys and girls. So now that you have heard the two stories for this week, called Tornado Action Plan and Blizzard Action Plan in your workbook, open up your workbook to page 152, 152, which is a page here, 152. And we're going to work on an activity. We're going to go over some vocabulary words that you read and you heard in the stories. On page 152 at the top, let's look at the first vocabulary word. I'm going to read it for you. The first word is strong. Strong. The second vocabulary word is tornado. Tornado. And one of the stories was about tornadoes. Then we have the word blizzard. Blizzard. And that's what the second story was about, is what is a blizzard and what happens during a blizzard. And then we have the last vocabulary word, powerful. Powerful is talking about how a tornado could be very powerful. So let's look at the two sentences that are on your page. And we have to pick the correct vocabulary word to complete the sentence. On this line, you are going to pick one of the vocabulary words I read above to complete the sentence. Let's read the first one together. It snows during a... Which word best completes the sentence? Here's a picture of what a blizzard looks like. Here's a picture of what a tornado looks like. So use the clues in the pictures to pick the best word to complete the sentence. It snows during a strong, a tornado, a blizzard, or a powerful. What word do you think goes here? Finish it. And then the next sentence says, it is windy during pick the word that goes with a sentence to complete the sentence. Is the best word to complete the sentence a strong, a tornado, a blizzard, or a powerful? Which of the vocabulary words fits with the sentence, it is windy during a... Write the word that you think goes in the sentence. So once you are done with page 152, we're going to do the second activity in our workbook. And that is on page 154. 154. So turn the page one time and you'll see this on your page. Now, this activity, we are going to compare and contrast text. When we compare and contrast text, we tell how they are alike and different. Now, as you remember, I had done an activity like this in class when we were comparing or trying to find out how two things are alike and different. So here's a Venn diagram. As you remember, I drew two circles. And on the left side, it says tornado action plan. And on the right side, it says blizzard action plan. And that you have it in your book. After reading and listening to the stories of tornado action plan and blizzard action plan, we are going to find out how those stories are alike, how they are the same, and how they are different. So on this circle, you're going to draw or write what you do for a tornado action plan. And on this part, you're going to draw or write what you do for the blizzard action plan. And in the middle, we're going to draw or write what is the same. What do you do the same in both? Now, we're going to focus on how you prepare for each. How you prepare for each. So we're going to come back to this page. And to help us, I have on this page, have a copy of page 141. You can look at it if you want on your workbook, or you can follow along with me. Here on this page, when we're reading the story of the tornado action plan, it talks about what you pack when you're preparing for a tornado. Your action plan is how do you prepare? What do you pack? Here it says pack a bag, pack clothes and a flashlight. Keep the bag in the safe area. Now on this page 148, it's talking about the blizzard action plan, or how do you prepare for a blizzard? And we look at what they are packing here. Here it says pack a supply kit, pack water, food, and a flashlight. So let's look at what they pack, what's different, and what's the same. In the tornado action plan, it says to pack clothes and a flashlight. In the blizzard action plan, it says pack water, food, and a flashlight. So we can already see by paying attention, we can underline one of the things that is necessary to prepare for both action plans. You can see the word flashlight in both action plans. So you can go back to your Venn diagram, and here in the middle, we want to know how the two action plans are the same. So here you can draw a flashlight or write the word flashlight, because that item is the same. You would pack it in both types of action plans. So let's go back again to the pictures. Now we want to find out how they are different. What is it that you pack in the tornado action plan and that is different from the blizzard? Here it says you pack clothes, and if you look at the picture, this person is packing clothes. Now, are they packing clothes in this blizzard action plan? I don't see clothes, and I see food and water. So that's how they are different. The tornado action plan requires for you to pack clothes, and the blizzard is food and water. So now we go back to our Venn diagram, and on the left side for the tornado action plan, you can draw packing clothes or write the word clothes. And on the right side for the blizzard action plan, the way it's different is you're packing food and water. So you can draw a picture of food and water, or you can write the words food and water. So you can look back on page 141 and 148 of your workbooks, or you can just listen to my presentation here and skip to this page here where the slide where I have the two different action plans, and that'll help you complete the activity on page 154, because for this activity, after listening to the stories, we are learning to compare and contrast, and that's your activity for today after listening to the two stories. So now you can complete the 2 pages. 152, we did it together, and then on 154, you already know how to compare and contrast the two stories. That is your activity. You can complete it, take pictures, and then of course send it to me through either Class Dojo or upload it here on Google Classroom.